Hello everyone, and welcome to today's beginner flow. Starting in seated position, we'll use this time to reconnect with the breath, finding some stillness before we begin the class. And from here we'll move into some seated twists, reaching up with the right hand, placing it onto the outer part of the left knee, looking over the left shoulder. Relaxing through the shoulders. And then switching sides. Gently release. And then coming to lay down onto the mat, pulling the left knee in towards the chest, making some big circles. This just nicely warms up the hips. Changing directions. And switching sides. Changing directions. Placing the right foot down onto the mat, lifting the left leg up, keeping the knee slightly bent, pulling the left leg in towards the body, moving at your own pace, not forcing anything, just feeling that gentle stretch in the back of the leg. Switching sides. And gently release. Slowly making your way back up, moving onto all fours into a tabletop position. Inhale, gaze moves up, arch the back. Exhale, round the back, pressing down towards the mat. Inhale, gaze moves up into cow pose. Exhale, rounding the back into cat pose. We'll do this a few more times. This just nicely warms up all of the muscles in the back. Coming back to neutral. And then sending the right leg back. Option to hold it here, or if it's available, lifting the left hand, coming into bird dog pose. Moving at your own pace. With what's available, gently release, coming back to tabletop position. Taking a few breaths. And then we'll switch sides, sending the left foot back. An option to reach forwards with the right hand. Gently release. Take a few deep breaths. Walking the hands forward into a puppy pose position, releasing through the chest and shoulders. Just slowly allowing the body to open up, releasing any tension. Walking the hands back up, sweeping the feet round, moving into a butterfly pose, placing the soles of the feet to touch, holding onto the feet. Sometimes just staying up here is enough. Feeling that gentle stretch in the inner thighs. Gently breathe. And slowly release, placing both legs out in front of the body, holding onto the backs of the legs, and just gently walking forwards with the feet, moving until you feel a slight sensation in the backs of the legs, keeping the spine nice and neutral. Breath is nice and steady, not forcing anything. Releasing the chest up and slowly lying down onto the mat, pulling the knees in towards the chest, giving them a squeeze. And then releasing the knees over towards the left side of the body. Gently breathe. Switching sides. Gently breathe. Bringing the knees in towards the chest, releasing both legs onto the mat. Gently closing the eyes, softening through the body, softening the breath. And just expressing some gratitude for showing up today. I'm so grateful you're here, so thank you so much for joining me. I really hope to see you again.